Hello students, good morning beta. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Stay home, stay safe. Don't move anywhere. Students, before we start anything, let's pray to God. Everyone join your hands, close your eyes, start with 3 times Omkara. Everyone, take a long breath, beta. Start prayer. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Everyone, rub your hands. Put it on your face. Now slowly everyone open your eyes. बस आपको लगता है कि डेली में भी क्या रब योर हैंड्स एंड पुट इट ऑन योर फेस करवा रहे हैं ना, बिकॉज उसी से हमारा माइंड कॉन्सेंट्रेट हो जाता है। जिसे हम ऐसे करेंगे इट्स गेट्स अ एनर्जी। क्या होता है, पूरी एनर्जी के साथ वो वार्म फील होता है ना। जैसे आप काम करते हो, ऐसे करते हो तो फिर कैसे आपकी पाम है वो वार्म हो जाती है और अपने फेस पे रखोगे तो इट्स बी अ पीसफुल सोइल। अपना सोइल पीसफुल बन जाता है। पूरा स्टडी के लिए कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड जैसे यू शुड डू सम गुड थिंग्स है ना। When you eat, जब आप खाने बैठते हो, something is fell down है ना, from your hands, from your mouth. Guys, are you picking up these things? आप ये चीज़ उठा रहे हो जो अपने हाथ से या अपने मुंह से जो गिर गया है, वो क्या आप उठा रहे हो कि मम्मी के लिए छोड़ दे रहे हो, है ना। You should pick up these things, okay? जो खाना आपके हाथ से या आपके मुंह से जो गिरा है, you should pick up by yourself. अपने आप आपको उठाना है। ओके एंड वन गुड थिंग्स यू स्टार्ट डूइंग फ्रॉम टुडे। क्या थिंग्स करोगे, जो आपने खाना खाया है ना, खाने की जो डिश है ना, यू होल्ड दिस आफ्टर द ईटिंग मील। खाने के बाद यू पिकअप दिस या होल्ड दिस थिंग्स एंड पुट अवे इन वॉशिंग एरिया। उसी को कहाँ रखना है आपको, वॉशिंग एरिया में अपने आप रखना है, खुद से ही रखना है, ठीक है ना। क्या करना है, आफ्टर फिनिशिंग योर मील, आपका मील ख़त्म होने के, खाना ख़त्म होने के बाद यू शुड होल्ड योर डिश, अपनी डिश पकड़ना है और यू पुट इन वॉशिंग एरिया, जहाँ आपकी मम्मा यूटेंसिल क्लीन करती है, जो ये बर्तन क्लीन करती है, वहाँ पे आप लोग रख के आओगे। एक वन वर्क यू शुड डू। ओके students, what we learned in our last video, after before numbers and between numbers. Okay, and today is one new things from your textbook page number 57. Which page? Textbook page number 57. Ordering of numbers. नंबर का ऑर्डरिंग करना है। हम फर्स्ट सेकेंड, हु विल कम फर्स्ट, हु सेकेंड, हु थर्ड, बट विच मेथड, बाय ascending order. First, today we have to learn just ascending order only. What you have to learn today? Just ascending. देखो here is the ascending and descending two portion. Today you learn just this portion only. यही वाला portion आपको सिर्फ learn करना है. Okay? इतना ही. This one we will learn tomorrow. Okay? Ascending order. Ascending means small to big. Ascending means small to big. I already explained all the things. Small to big. What you have to learn? Small to big. But for that you just know, आपको जान जरूरी है कि small number which one is small number and which one is big number. कैसे पता चलेगा? By 1 to 50 नंबर आपको माइंड में पूरा माइंड में सेट होना चाहिए. क्या है वो नंबर्स आपके माइंड में पूरा सेट होता है तो यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई. इट्स अ वेरी इजी. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई. हाउ कैन यू सॉल्व? आप कैसे कर पाते हो? चले. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट योर डेट हियर एंड CW. ओके, दिस पोर्शन इज योर डेट एंड CW. गाइस, हैव यू रिटन योर डेट एंड CW? चल, your number is 30, 46, 35 and 21 है ना. So which number we have to look first? First we have to look at the tens place. all the digit के numbers के tens place आपको देखना है. Okay, so here is 3, 30 में 3, here is 4, here is 3 and here is 2. So you know very well in this, from this number 3, 4, 3 and 2 is the smallest number. That's already you learned the previous chapter. वो आपने previous chapter में learn कर लिया है. So 2 in a tens place, 2 is the smallest number. So cut it down your 20 and write it here. Okay. Now remain 3 numbers. From the 3 numbers, which one is smallest? देखो, look here. This is the, here 30 में tens place is 3 and 35 में भी tens place is 3. 4 is already greater है ना. So 3 and 3. So what we should do? We should look for ones place. Here ones place is 3 and here is 35. So your next number is 30 here. Okay, cut it down. Next 46 and 35. So 4 and 3, which one is smaller? 3. So write your 35 here and last number is 46. Guys, it's easy na. चले. नेक्स्ट अवर नंबर इज 50, 23, 31 and 44. So which one number is small from this? First what should we do? We should look at the tens place. Here is tens place 5, here is 2, here is 3, here is 4. So which one is smaller number? 2. So your number is 23. Cut it down, write it here 23. This is the smallest number among this number. ठीक है, among these number these are the smallest. Okay, now next one 5, 3 and 4. So which one is small one? 31, 3. So write your 31 in the next box. Okay, cut it down and which two number is remaining there? 40 and 50. So 4 and 5 in a tens place. 4 and 5. Which one is small? 4. So cut it down 4, 40 and write it here. Guys, are you understand? Are you getting my point? बेटा समझ में आ रहा है? Small to big. Okay, and which one is your last number is there? 40 already written and last number is 50. So write your 50 here. This one portion only we should do. We have to do today. यही portion सिर्फ करना है. This one we will do tomorrow. Okay? Clear guys? And next number is 33, 44, 11 and 22. Clear beta? So from these number which one is small one? In a देखो these numbers both the place are same. So 3, 3, 4, 4, 11 and 22. So you know very well 11 is the smallest number among these. So cut it down 11 and write your 11 here. Next one 3, 3, 4, 4 and 2, 2. So 2, 2 is smallest number. Write your 2, 2 22 is here. Then your next number is, which one is remaining? Cut 22, then 33 and 44. So 33 is smaller than 44. So write your 33 here, and last number is 44. Okay students, here our in textbook page number 57 already over, and today's your homework is in a worksheet page number 40. I already mentioned here, but keep in mind your today's homework is वर्कशीट पेज नंबर 40 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. ओके, मैं लिख कर भेजूँगी अपने वीडियो में, बट फिर भी क्वेश्चन 7 इज़ योर होमवर्क. ओके गाइज, एंड टुडेज योर नेक्स्ट वर्क इज इन अ notebook. So how to do बेटा notebook? Yes, this is your notebook. Okay, so here is this beautiful notebook I have prepared for you. मैंने आपके लिए बनाई है. You no need to draw this trees. Okay, आपको if you are interesting, if you like to draw, if you get time, then you draw these trees. Otherwise no need to draw this tree. मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए ये पिक आपको ड्रॉ किया है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स हाउ टू डू. चले, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट योर डेट एंड CW हियर. डन. राइट योर डेट हियर. योर नोटबुक शुड बी वेरी वेरी क्लियर. ओके, परफेक्ट होनी चाहिए आपकी नोटबुक. आई लाइक द क्लीन वर्क, नीट एंड क्लीन वर्क. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, write your this is your margin line. Put your star here. Okay, then write your heading. What is your heading? Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Write into bracket small to big. Small to big. What you have to write there? Small to big means small number is first and then big number is at last. Clear students? Hope you all had finished your work with me. मेरे साथ शायद आपका वर्क फिनिश कर लिया होगा. Okay, let's do our next work is here. Then draw. If you interesting, then draw these trees. अगर आपको और कुछ भी ड्रॉ करना है तो यू कैन डू, ड्रॉ कर सकते. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू ड्रॉ, इट्स ओके, जस्ट राइट दिस नंबर्स. ओके, देन स्मॉल टू बिग. ओके, you first, this is your margin line, write your 1 here, then your number is 25173540 and 5. write this number in a single box. जैसे मैंने लिखा है वैसे write this number in a single box properly. Okay, so 25. among this number which one number is small? We have to write it first. Okay, first look here. 25 is 2 digit, 17 is 2 digit, 35 is 2 digit, 40 is 2 digit, and 5 only is single digit number. How can we say the 5 is smallest? Because I already explained that, said that to you. Single digit number is always smaller than 2 digit number. 2 digit number से वो हमेशा छोटा होता है. Clear बेटा? So write your 5 is the smallest number. Okay, so cut it down. Next number is what you have to do. First look at tens place. Here is 2, here is 1, 3 and here is 4. So which one is small from these? 1. So 1, 7, 17 is your next number. Okay, do this comma properly. ठीक है, what is this? These are the comma. Your comma should be properly. Okay, 17 done, 5 done. Okay, cut it down, 17 and 5. And then next number is 2, 3 and 4. So which one is small number from this? 25, 2. So write your 25 here properly, then put your comma here, then next 35 and 40. So 3 is smaller than 4. So 35 here, 25 cut it down, then 35 also, write 35 here. And what is the last? Last is 40, 40. Okay students, so here your first row is already done. Hope you all are understand, you getting my point. Next number is write your second serial number, write your 2 in a circle here. Then your number is 46, 16, 36, 26 and 4, 8. What we do? We have to look at tens place. Here is tens place 4, 1, 3, 2 and 4. So you know very well 1 is smaller than the remaining 3. So 1, 6, 16 your first number. Write your 16 here. Next one 4, 3, 2 and 4. Which one is small number? 2. So here number is 26. So cut it down and write here 26. Next one is 46, 36, 48. So 3 is smaller than 4. So your next number is 36. Write it here, and then 46 and 44. Look here. Here both number have tens place is same. So what we do? We have to look at ones place. Ones place में 46 में ones place is 6 and 48 में ones place is 8. So 46 is smaller from 48. So 46 is next number and last one is 48. Clear beta? Now your next exercise number 3 is here. Write your write your serial number here. Then 46. Write your 46 here, 16. It's okay. Okay, this one is done already, है ना बेटा? Okay, and next number is 3. Write your serial number 3. Then 35, 13, 33, 30 and 18. Write all these number in a proper box. Now, which one is smaller from among these? So here is what should we do? We have to look at ones place. First we have to look at tens place. So here is tens place 3, 1, 3, 3 and 1. Okay. So 1, 8, 18 and 1, 3, 13. And both has one tens place is 1. So what should we do? We have to look at ones place. Here is ones place 3 and here is 8. So 1, 3 is smaller from 1, 8. So 1, 3 then 1, 8 because it's a ones place 8. Now next number is, which one is remain? Cut it down 1, 3 and 1, 8. Now next one 3, 5, 3, 3 and 3, 0. So in ones place here is 5, here is 3 and here is 0. So which one is smaller from this? 0. Means your number is 30, 30. Write it here. Okay. Cut it down and next number 35 and 33 and 35. So 3 is smaller than 5. So 33 is your next number and at last it is the 3, 5, 35. Okay beta. Now your next exercise 4. Serial number is 4. Not exercise, it's a serial number 4. So your number is 39, 39, 9, 49, 19, 25. So first what should we do? Here is 9 is a single digit number. Remains all are 2 digit numbers. So write your 9 first. Cut it down. Next 3 in a tens place. Here is 4, here is 1 and here is 2. So 1 is smaller than the smallest than the other. So write your 1, 9, 19. Next one 3 9 and 2 5 and 4 9. So 2 is smaller than 3 and 4. So your next number is 25 and 3 9 and 4 9. So which one is smaller? 3 9 is here. Next number and last is 4 9 49. Okay students. Now your next exercise is next number is 5. Write your 5. Then 48, 38, 10, 30 and 49. Write all this number in this box properly. So which one is small number from here? In a tens place, 4, 3, 1, 3 and 4. 1 is smaller than this other number. So write your 1 here. Cut it down. Your next number is 3, 4, 3, 3 and 4. So in a tens place 3 is a smaller, but here is 38 and here is 3 0. So which one is small from this? 3 0. So write 3 0 next number and then 3 8. So write 3 8. Now 4 8 and 4 9. Which one is small number? 4 8 because 8 is smaller than 9. So your next number is 48. Write it here and last is 49. 4 9. Okay students, these numbers are arranged in ascending order, small to big. Okay students, your homework is worksheet page number 40, question number 7. Bye bye beta, we will meet in next video.